Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to our channel, Living an OK Life. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so you can help us out.
So today we are excited to be back. It's been about 3 weeks since we posted our last video. As you know, Oklahoma went through like a historic snowstorm, and it started off with ice one week, and then the next week we got 2 big rounds of snow. We'll insert some photos here of me trying to shovel this snow. It was a lot. It was a lot going on that week. So anyways, we are back out. And we're excited to show you what we got today. Today we are showing you 4 things to do for adults here in Oklahoma City.
Yes.
So if you're wondering what you should do, want to go hang out, check this video out.
Alright, let's go look at it.
Alright.
Up first is the Flashback Retro Pub located in 𝕊𝕐𝕝𝕣. They feature over 100 arcade games from the 80s and 90s along with Nintendo and Sega gaming consoles. You do have to be 21 to get in, so you won't find any kids here, just fun for adults.
Old school, straight up old school, and it's free, 2 drink minimum. Here we go, we're gonna see what she gets. Alright, she's still here. She hit 100,000. Here she is. She's still playing. There you go. Got a beast over here. It's alright. She got the highest score though. She got the highest score though. Yeah. Yeah, like there you go.
I challenge you.
You challenge me?
Top my score.
You challenging people on the camera?
Yeah.
Because I'll beat it.
All of these games are set on free play, so you just have to either buy 2 drinks, which can be a craft beer, a signature cocktail, or even just a soda. If you're not thirsty, you can just pay the $5 for a day pass to play. Up next is the Jones Assembly, also located in 𝕊𝕐𝕝𝕣, almost directly across the street from Flashback. Here you can eat a nice meal along with catching a show. They are an indoor and outdoor venue featuring live music. Some shows are paid, but they also have free performances as well. Check their Facebook or website for details. After dinner, you can also check out the Tea Room, which is an elevated bar experience and has a different menu than what is downstairs. On the weekend, the Jones Assembly is open until 2 a.m., so it makes for a great chill night. Oklahoma's craft beer scene is booming, so if that's your thing, check out one of the breweries here. We went to Twisted Spike Brewery in Auto Alley and tried a flight of some of their most popular beers. I don't even typically care for beer, but I ended up really enjoying 3 of my pours. The decor in here was inspired by their neighboring train tracks, so the main bar and refrigerator are converted shipping containers. The owners were super nice and knowledgeable in what to suggest based on your taste in other drinks.
This tastes like the beers that I've had. It's a lot better than what I've had.
It's a lot better than regular beers.
Yeah.
Those are 4 beers that Kendra have.
How is it?
It's good. The first one was really good. He told me to go down this list here. He said it goes from the one with the least flavor to the one with the more flavor, and you have to work your way up.
And they also are working on a kitchen, so soon you'll be able to enjoy food as well. But for now, they have some pretty tasty seasoned popcorn. Thanks, Bruce. Last but not least on the list is Michael Murphy's Dueling Piano Bar. It sits along the Riverwalk in Bricktown. They have musicians performing hit rock and roll songs while spitting off comedic banter with the crowd. You can even request a song to be played, or if you're feeling bold enough, you can sing karaoke in the back.
No. In case you don't know the words, I just need help with the word smooth. That would be a really sweet right back. Let's practice. Everybody say smooth on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You're at smooth. Thank you. Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet.
Alright you guys, it's gonna wrap this video up. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more Oklahoma content, make sure you're subscribed. We're almost at 1,000 followers, so that's pretty cool. We will see you guys next time. Bye.